how to recover deleted messages on WhatsApp, and how you can see the unsent messages as well. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. In today's video we will only discuss how we can recover deleted messages, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now, in order to see the deleted messages, there is a feature called notification history on almost all Android devices. If you don't have this feature as well, you can try to download it from your Play Store. Now on my case, what the case is that if I go ahead and open up my settings application, and then if I go to the option called notifications, so let me just go to the option called notifications. Over here I'll go to advanced settings, and here you'll find notification history. You simply want to make sure to turn on this notification history toggle. What this does is that your mobile system or your Android device is going to keep a record of all of the notification you receive, which means that even if someone sent you a message on WhatsApp and you received a notification, and if that person simply unsent it, you will still be able to find what that person sent you before you try to see it inside the notification history section. So let me also show you what that actually looks like. So let's say I receive a specific message on WhatsApp. So as you can clearly see that I have received a message. Now without seeing this message, let's say this message has been deleted again. So as you can see, the message disappeared out of nowhere, and then because if I go ahead and open up my WhatsApp as well, you can see it says the message was deleted, which means the message has been deleted. So I'm assuming you already know the message that I received earlier, so I will show you where I can find that message to recover it. What I will do is, as we went earlier, we went to notification history, we will go to settings, and then we will go to notifications, and we will go to advanced settings, notification history, WhatsApp. As you can clearly see, the message has been deleted on our WhatsApp, by the way. So let me show you, the message has been deleted. But if I come to my notification history, you can see the message from earlier from this specific person that says this, and that is how you can actually view deleted messages. But keep in mind that if you were not connected to internet and if you didn't receive a notification, your phone will not be able to keep track of the notification. That could be one of the places where this feature could not work. But if you have notifications turned on, if you're always connected to the internet, someone sends you a message, you receive notifications, it's been delivered to you, even if the other person unsends it, you'll most likely find it within the notifications history panel. Hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.